All right. Several historic oak trees in Bienville Square destroyed by Hurricane Sally, but now the city is coming up with a way to make sure that the wood from those trees is preserved as art. There's an application online for artists to fill out. If you get chosen, you'll get some of this wood to unleash your creativity on. The application is pretty thorough with specific questions about your skills, woodworking history, and you even have to attach samples of your previous work. If you're interested, you can apply at mobilearts.org through Tuesday, December 1st.